fast is that?
It came in over the other.
Yeah, that's the rating.
Wait, so F-35 is the launch. That's the F-35.
Yeah, she's got some big toes too.
I can see. I think we're going to see as well.
Mine will fade out by this, whereas hers won't.
This Marine Corps version of the Joint Strike Fighter operational. Tell us a little bit about what your training has been like.
Yes, sir. So a couple weeks ago, we started our official training to become IOC, or Initial Operational Capability. So the pilots are now training into 2,000, 3,000 level codes, and next summer we're targeting to...
Now, as a Harrier guy, Mike, how is this one different in terms of how it flies and how you treat it?
The aircraft itself is extremely easy to fly. The folks that developed it did a great job of making it very intuitive. Flight control. There's just the level of situational awareness that I'm given in the cockpit to allow all the sensors to come together, fuse, and show you what it looks like.
Now, you've got aboard the aircraft Lieutenant Colonel Tillett. Is he the boss?
Yes, sir. So this is obviously the world's first supersonic stowable aircraft, and obviously is stealth and can bring all the other 5th gen capabilities to the fight.
All right, now as we watch it come in, we see that Rolls-Royce lift fan. Hover. Bring it into a hover. Let's watch and listen, everybody. It'll be too loud to talk. Here comes the Lightning 2. Just saw what I believe is the first demonstration. Is that true?
It's the first demonstration in Miramar. We did one back in Yuma in March of this year, but that was the first demonstration of an F-35.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, second time, first time in Miramar. How about your United States Marine Corps F-35? I can't hear you. Better.
On the AM2 battery that Harriers use in Afghanistan right now. So he'll do a slow landing here, get some gas, and then you'll get to see an afterburner takeoff from the Lightning 2.
And that'll be in a little while from now, right?
Yes, sir, about 15, 20 minutes.
Boy, is that awesome to see. Really, really cool.
Next summer. Yeah, next summer is when they'll finally come to the It has 2 engines, and it's a bigger plane, bigger motor.